Welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today, we're riding a bike up Doria Drive to the Pagoda on the top of Mount Penn in Reading, Pennsylvania. Okay, we're going to start climbing Mount Penn to the Pagoda. This road that we're about to turn on is Doria Drive, or Doria Drive, depending on how you pronounce it. It's named after Charles Doria, who was an automobile manufacturer, and this is the test run that he used to use for his vehicles. He needed to prove that gas engine vehicles could manage going up a hill around steep turns. Every year in Reading, there are races up this road to the Pagoda. They're timed races, so cars don't race against each other at the same time. Each car goes, and they're timed from the bottom to the top to figure out who the winner is. So that's how this particular road became famous. When we get to the top of Mount Penn, where the Pagoda sits, you'll see the vista looking out over the city of Reading, so there are tremendous views from up on this particular mountain overlooking the city of Reading, and you can see how the city sits down in a basin, the mountain range, is along the edge. So it's a real pretty spot, especially on a day like today when it's blue skies and really clear. It might be a little windy on the top of the hill, the top of the mountain, but I'm okay with that. We've been getting so much rain lately. I'm just happy that the sun's out and the road is dry, so we can roll these tires and twist the throttle as we head up this mountain. If you're in the Reading area, this might be one of the destinations you want to check out. If you're on a motorcycle, definitely. Even if you're in a vehicle or car, this is a great spot to go check out and enjoy the view from on top of Mount Penn. Great ride. This building was actually built in the early 1900s. There was a quarry here and the people didn't like the quarry. So the owner, Mr. Whitman, decided to build a hotel in the Asian style of a pagoda. But he was denied a liquor license and fell into bankruptcy. Eventually, the city acquired the property for $1. There's great views up here. It's a great ride. It's a little windy today. I'll give you a look. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, helps me out a lot. Also ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and give the video a thumbs up. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there. Thanks for watching.